In this video series, we will calculate quantities using Revit Model. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we made bar bending schedule for footings. Now we will make the bar bending schedule of columns. Go to View ribbon. Click on Schedule Quantities button. Select Structural Rebar from the list of categories. Rename this table as Column Bar Bending Schedule. Press OK. Now we will select from the available fields. First of all, select Host Category, then Host Mark. Schedule Mark. Bar Diameter. Type. Bar Length. Quantity. Total bar length. Reinforcement volume. Shape. Image. Now we will select lengths A, B, C, D, E, and G. Select Comments and then press OK. This table shows all the rebars used in the project. First of all, let's apply filter on Host Category. Click on Filter. Select Host Category. Now in Filter, select Structural Columns. Press OK to proceed. This is column bar bending details. Now we'll sort the table on Shape parameter. Click on Sorting. Select Shape field. Now uncheck Itemize every option. Press OK. Now we will hide this column by right-clicking on it. This Host Mark column is empty. Open Plan and select columns by applying filter on them. Now in the Properties panel, we will add C1 in the Mark parameter. Host Mark has been applied on the columns. Now our bar bending schedule for columns is ready. Now we will insert Shape Image. In Image parameter, click on the three dots in the right side of cell. Now we will insert bar shapes. The link of standard bar shapes as per ACI code have been attached in the description below. Choose Shape 0 from the list. Add Shape T1 for column ties. Now we will add these shape in the bar bending schedule. Add T1 shape in ties. We need total reinforcement volume. Now click on Formatting. Select Reinforcement Volume. Change field formatting to calculate totals. Now we have total reinforcement volume. Now we will place our bar bending schedule for columns on the sheet. Just drag and drop this schedule from the project browser. Our bar bending schedule for column is ready. We will make image section bigger. Now we will change this reinforcement volume to steel weight. Open Rebar Schedule. Click on Fields at Properties browser. We will make a custom field to calculate steel weight. Click on this Add Calculated parameter. Name it Steel in Pounds. Now change the discipline to Structural. Type to Reinforcement Volume. Now in Formula, click on three dots. To select Reinforcement Volume field, we will multiply this volume with density of steel. To find the weight of steel, click on Steel field and move it up next to Reinforcement Volume. Now open Formatting tab. Click on Steel field. Change field formatting to calculate totals. Now we will change field format. Uncheck Use Project Setting. Change Unit Symbol to None. Now press OK. Our column bar bending schedule is ready. In our next video, we will make bar bending schedule for beams. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.